In this video, we'll guide you to add onboard monitoring devices and configure remotely in Hik-Connect Team Mode. Check device compatibility on the Hik-Connect Team Mode portal. Use the SADP tool to locate the device. Double-click on the device's IP address and enter the local website. Enter the username and password. Go to Configuration, Network, Advanced Settings, and then Platform Access. Choose Hikvision as the platform access mode. Enter the server address and set a security code. Save your settings and refresh the page. Check the register status. If it's online, the device is successfully registered to the cloud. Log in to the Hik-Connect portal. Go to Device and Maintenance, then Onboard Device. Click on Add Device. Enter the device serial number and verification code. Set the device name, vehicle information, and select the time zone. Add a new area by entering the area name and clicking Add. The device is now added successfully. You can edit the vehicle information under the Vehicle tab. Click Add the Add driver and confirm. If needed, create driver groups by entering a group name and clicking Add. Check the created group and click Add to edit the driver information. Upload or take a photo of the driver and save it in the suitable location. Enter the driver's phone number and email address. Link the driver to the target vehicle and click OK. Edit the driving license information by entering the license number and selecting the expiration date. Upload the driver's license photo and save it in the suitable location. Click Add. Finally, select the driver and click Apply. If the status shows as applied, the driver was successfully added. Click here to continue editing vehicle information. Select the corresponding area. Click on the license plate number. Click on the center location to upload vehicle photos. Click Save. Finally, the vehicle information has been successfully edited. Drag the slider and click the gear. If you haven't downloaded the plugin, the platform will prompt you to do so. Click to download the interface and it can be opened. Click VCA. Enabling these two features and selecting the target channel and saving it allows the device to upload videos and photos of the following events to the platform. Click Face Contrast. Select the target channel and then save to enable the configuration of face contrast related parameters. Click ADAS. Here you can configure the parameters for ADAS related events. Click Vehicle. Here you can configure the relevant parameters of the device according to the actual application scenario. Click System and Maintenance. Here you can reboot the device. Click Log. Here you can search the device's logs by selecting different filters. Hik-Connect for Teams. Connected security, ready to go.